Imagine this. You're floating in the open ocean at night. No city lights, no moon, just darkness. And then, the water beneath you flashes. Blue sparks ripple outward. Every movement creates light. The ocean looks alive. Now here's the question. Is this some rare miracle of nature, or is this actually normal? Because the truth is, many ocean organisms don't just reflect light, they make their own. Tonight, we're exploring why so many ocean creatures glow in the dark, how they do it, and what that glow really means. No myths, no science fiction, just real biology and some very clever animals. Let's start with a basic fact. Sunlight does not travel very far in water. Within a few hundred meters, sunlight becomes too weak to support vision or photosynthesis. No sunrise, no sunset, just deepening darkness. And yet, life persists there. Fish hunt, predators stalk, animals find mates. They survive. So, how do you live in darkness? One solution is eyes that work in low light. Another solution is making light yourself. And this is where bioluminescence comes in. Bioluminescence is real light produced by living organisms, not heat, not reflection, actual light. It comes from a chemical reaction inside the body. Here's the verified mechanism. A molecule called luciferin reacts with oxygen under enzyme control. A protein, either a luciferase or a photoprotein, regulates the reaction. Energy is released as light. That's it. No electricity, no batteries, no sparks, just chemistry. And this reaction is incredibly efficient. Almost no energy is wasted as heat. Which means these animals can glow without burning themselves. Pretty useful. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Bioluminescence is not rare in the ocean. It appears across many major groups of marine life: fish, jellyfish, crustaceans, worms, plankton, and even bacteria. And it's especially common in the deep sea. In fact, among mid-water open ocean animals, bioluminescence is one of the most common traits. So if you were to imagine the deep ocean as empty and silent, that image is wrong. It's dark, yes, but it's also full of flashes, glows, and signals. A quiet light show happening constantly. Now, let's talk about color. Almost all marine bioluminescence is blue-green. Why? Because blue light travels the farthest in seawater. Red light disappears quickly, yellow fades fast, but blue keeps going. So natural selection favors blue wavelengths. They're visible, they're efficient, and they work in deep water. There are rare exceptions. A very small number of deep-sea fish species produce red light, but blue-green dominates the ocean. If the ocean had a favorite color, this would be it. So what do animals actually do with this light? Let's break it down. Some predators use light as bait. They don't chase prey, they let prey come to them. A small glow, a curious fish, and dinner. This behavior is directly observed in deep-sea predators. Simple, effective, a little sneaky. Light isn't just for attacking, it's also for escaping. Some animals flash suddenly when threatened. Others release glowing material into the water. The effect? Confusion. A predator sees light, can't tell where the prey went, and misses. No explosions, no drama, just a brief moment of distraction and survival. This one sounds strange, but it's real. Some animals glow on their undersides. Why? Because predators below look upward, searching for silhouettes against faint surface light. By matching that light with their own glow, these animals reduce their shadow. They don't become invisible, but they become harder to see. It's called counter-illumination. Basically, if you can't beat the light, copy it. In some species, light is communication. Flashes, patterns, timing. These signals help animals recognize their own species and attract mates in the dark. Think of it as simple visual signaling, only glowier. Let's meet a few glowing residents of the ocean. Some microscopic plankton flash when mechanically disturbed. Swim through them at night, and the water lights up with every movement. It's one of the few times humans regularly see bioluminescence firsthand. And yes, it's real, no special effects. Many jellyfish glow when touched or stressed. Their light comes from specialized proteins inside their tissues. It's often brief, but unmistakable. Some shrimp-like animals emit light from glands or pores. Others glow during movement. Their light is observed. Its exact function likely varies by species. Some squid host bioluminescent bacteria in special organs. The squid controls the light, the bacteria produce it. A partnership with camouflage as the payoff. Let's pause for an important reminder. Bioluminescence is not magic. It does not mean creatures are glowing constantly. It does not mean the ocean is always bright. Most of the time, the deep sea is dark. The light appears briefly, purposefully, only when needed. And not every glow has the same meaning. Biology doesn't do one size fits all. Here's the takeaway. The ocean is dark, but life adapted. Instead of seeing better, many creatures chose a different solution: make light. They use it to eat, to hide, to communicate, to survive. And they've been doing this for hundreds of millions of years. Not because it's flashy, but because it works. So the next time you see a glowing wave or a flicker of light in the water, remember this. You're not witnessing something rare. You're seeing one of the most successful survival strategies in the ocean. Quiet, efficient, chemical. No spotlight, no audience, just life lighting its own way. And here's a question to leave you with. If humans had hypothetically evolved in total darkness, what kind of light would we have learned to make?